we have here is a car battery. And I'm sure you guys have seen this before. Corrosion, acid corrosion from oxygen hitting the battery and the gas is coming out of it. Okay, we are going to clean this battery because it's still good. It's got plenty of life in it. So we're going to neutralize the battery acid and clean it off. Now, how do you neutralize the battery acid? I'm sure that's your question. Easy, with water, baking soda. I have this all blacked out for copyright reasons. And a nylon brush. And I'll show you how. Step 1, fill a container up with water. Step 2, add the baking soda. Put a good amount in there, so you know it's in there, because that's what really neutralizes it. Step 3, shake it up till it gets to a milky white consistency. Now, pour on your battery. Scrub it with the nylon brush. Wash all the way around your battery. And rinse it off. Thanks for watching. Please comment below.